You are managing a hybrid environment utilizing a Microsoft 365 E5 subscription alongside an Azure subscription. To bolster security, you need to perform posture assessments on specific resources. The goal is to identify the correct security evaluation tool for three types: Windows 11 endpoints enrolled in Microsoft Intune, Azure Cloud Storage, and Azure Compute instances.
The available options to choose from are Option A, Microsoft Purview Compliance Portal, Option B, Microsoft 365 Defender, Option C, Microsoft Defender for Cloud, and Option D, Microsoft Sentinel.
In this scenario, the core challenge is understanding the scope of various Microsoft security products. Security posture assessment involves evaluating whether your environment meets security standards and best practices. You need to distinguish which tools are designed for end-user device management versus those focused on cloud workload protection and infrastructure configuration.
I believe the correct matches are as follows. For Windows 11 devices, the correct tool is Microsoft 365 Defender. For both Azure Virtual Machines and Azure Storage accounts, the correct tool is Microsoft Defender for Cloud. Microsoft 365 Defender is the go-to solution for end-user device security, leveraging Defender for Endpoint to monitor your managed devices.
Microsoft Defender for Cloud is the designated tool for cloud security posture management, and it excels at protecting infrastructure workloads like virtual machines and storage. Regarding the other options, the Microsoft Purview Compliance Portal is primarily used for data governance and regulatory compliance, while Microsoft Sentinel functions as a SIEM and SOAR solution, focusing on threat detection and incident response, rather than initial posture assessment for these specific resources.
A quick exam tip. When you encounter questions about security tools, focus on whether the resource is an end-user device or a cloud infrastructure asset. End-user devices are usually handled by Microsoft 365 Defender, while infrastructure resources are generally managed through Defender for Cloud. Remember that Sentinel is for monitoring and reacting to threats once they occur, not for evaluating if your infrastructure is configured correctly in the first place.